I hereby proclaim this the best pizza box lid I have ever seen in my life ever. Period. I was in my sister's room and I found my Twilight book and I felt myself trying to get it in my hand. You can't see it there, but it's right here. Well, it's actually kind of gone, but I felt myself there. It was a couple weeks ago.
They call me Cuban Pete.
Yeah, so I was chilling on YouTube and I got the idea. Hey, why can't I be? Pretty good idea. What do you say for myself? And then I decided, you know what, let's go on this plan. That would be a great idea. So we give you sketches. Hey, I found your present! You lost my present? I didn't tell you that I lost it? Oh, well, then I'll just, see you later. Bye. I'm not really good at sketches. You could do comedy. How many kids with ADD does it take to change a light bulb? Want to go ride bikes? It's funnier. Well, the first time I heard it, I thought it was funny. Not really good at comedy. So, I'm just gonna do my own thing here. It's just like talk. I'm gonna talk about stuff. I started reading Revelations. So like, no. And it was really weird. See, I got a dog. She's pretty amazing. I like giraffes. Giraffes are fun. Have you ever thought though, what would a giraffe look like if it looked like this? Not a stream. It's nice. I was like, what the fuck? It's crazy. I just thought I should share.
If you will just give me your hand, then we shall try.